grilled tawa fish. Welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana, and this is your friend Chef Saurabh, and today I'm going to share my favorite recipe with you, which I normally make as fast. Always I tell you the fast recipes. This is a beautiful tawa fish recipe which I prepare for myself very often. So now I'll tell you the story of how I discovered this particular recipe. I was working in a restaurant. We are fed up of eating all the food every day, the same. So I had this fish. I had some soaked rice or normal rice there. So what I did, I just made the powder of the rice, put lemon juice, put curry leaves, lot of things, and just grilled over the pan. So same thing we are going to cook it here. So for making this dish, we need slices of fish, egg, rice flour, ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander, curry leaves, lemon juice, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, onion, green capsicum oil, and tomatoes. So this is slices or a fillet of fish which we have here. What we do, we'll make the slices of them, even slices of the same size, just with a knife, cut them slant like this. So one slice inside, another slice. It depends on the kind of fish you want to use. You can use any fish you want. So these are slices which are already cut. So we'll use this. So now in this fish, what we'll do, we'll take some lemon juice. That is the first marination normally we do for the fish to take out the smell. Lemon is the best thing for that. So make a wedge, put some lemon juice. Then we will add some ginger garlic paste. We have this turmeric here. I prefer a lot of turmeric in this. Some garam masala, salt, red chili powder. So the red chili powder depends on how much you want to add. The spice level you want, you can use that. So it has to be spicy, a bit sour, and nice salty fish. So I'm adding spice, red chili powder. Then again, the beautiful ingredient coriander powder. Now give it a mix along with the spices so that the spices can coat over the fish. So now we have these eggs, and we have the curry leaves and coriander leaves. So what I'll do, I'll take these curry leaves, we'll chop them roughly. Put in this. We have these coriander leaves. So a lot of coriander leaves. Now one egg. As simple as that. This recipe is so simple, easy to make. Everything is in this now. The aroma itself is coming right now before we even have to cook the recipe. Now what you do is you keep it for resting for at least 5 to 10 minutes so that the fish takes the flavor of all the spices, herbs, lemon, and then we will add the rice flour. So now we have kept this fish for some time. Now it's time to add the rice flour. So while adding the rice flour, make sure the rice flour is very powdery in nature. If you have thick powder then or a coarse powder, that will not coat the fish properly. So now this rice flour is in this marination. The fish is coating with the rice flour. So make sure the marinade is like coating over the fish. So if in case you have more of egg and the rice flour is less, so you can add some more rice flour so that it coats nicely. Or if you have more of rice flour and it's become more dry, so you can either add some water or an egg. So this is a nice mixture ready now. So now friends, this is the time to grill our fish. A little bit of oil. I have this beautiful grill pan here. So the benefit of the grill pan is it gives a nice marks on the fish or anything you grill. So it looks really beautiful and nice. But you can use a simple normal tawa or a pan at home. So put some oil. Now we have this fish. Feel the fish. The slice, make it flat, and then just keep on placing them in the pan. So normally fish is so tender that while marinating or mixing the herbs, it may have broken down or a shape must have changed. So you have to feel it and pick up and place it in a nice shape. So it will gain the same shape you're putting, because the rice flour is also there. So the coating will help it to bind it in that shape. So now we have placed these fish slices marinated properly into the egg, rice flour and spices. We will grill it. So what we have to do is make sure you turn the fish only once, because it's very soft meat. You cannot turn it again and again. So let it get crispy from one side and then we will turn it on the other side. So now we have turned the slices. As you can see, beautiful brown on one side, and the same we have to do another side. So then we'll present our dish. This is a nice fish dish, easy to make, not much lengthy process. Everything in the fish, marinate, grill, and normally I have it with steamed rice, because the flavor of the fish, the lemon, the spices, the salt, the curry leaves, the coriander, it goes very well with steamed rice. But I'll give you a nice different accompaniment with it. Once we are done with this grilling, we'll prepare a very fast accompaniment with this fish. So this tawa fish is done. So now it's time to pick it up and place these beautiful grilled fish pieces on a platter. So I have a beautiful green platter here. With the very soft hands you have to handle this fish, very soft, and after cooking it becomes more soft. So this is my fish. So we have this aroma of curry leaves, nice lemony flavor. So again, as I told you, we have a very simple and fast accompaniment. On the same pan, add peppers, add onion and add tomatoes, and just again grill them. So now what will happen, the flavor of tomato, onion, peppers itself is very good to eat. So what I am doing is just giving it a nice turn over the same pan. So the oil in the pan, which has taken over the flavor of the fish, is going to coat over it, it's going to cook it and give a nice flavor. So you can do it like this. Just don't cook it for a long time, because I want the crunchiness of these vegetables to be maintained. So just pick up these tossed vegetables, place them here. Now we have this beautiful tawa fish, one of my favorite dishes. Amazing salad. The salad is taken over the burning and this grilling of the pan. So this is ready for you. You can have it with anything you want, a lemon juice or a tartar sauce or mayonnaise or normal mint chutney, anything you want to have it with. Even a tomato ketchup is just great with this.